Start your journey with a single project. Let's build Nexus Core, a high-scale factory management system. First, set up your workspace, create your project, and onboard your hardware in the Protonest Connect portal. Define custom MQTT topics in your firmware for secure machine stats. Let's create a topic for vibration. You can decide how you want to name it, like vibration or FMC/vibration or any suitable name. Now, build your custom dashboard with our portal documentation. You can monitor real-time machine health via WebSockets or fetch historical performance trends through REST APIs for deep dive analysis. If you want to maintain optimal operating conditions in the factory, you can build a settings panel to define custom thresholds. Use the settings panel for custom actuator logic, such as manual or auto toggles for ventilation and machine brakes, or an emergency stop to halt functions based on real-time data. If you need to report a factory operations, add an export button to download your production logs and machine performance on demand. Add a select device option to easily toggle between machine A and machine B to compare performance and track real-time trends between multiple devices. From raw machine data to a fully branded industrial solution, Protonest Connect. Engineer your efficiency without limits.